What's up, kids? That's how we do.
Getting tint tomorrow, and it's going to be very illegal, so I can get all the tickets.
Can't wait.
And I forgot to record a bunch of other stuff. So, here I am. And I think the lens is smudged, so I need to clean it. 20% tint tomorrow! Yay! Woo! We're having so much fun. Oh my gosh. And now we gotta put that stupid seat back in. Tom took that out for no reason.
I didn't want to ruin it.
And I'm just kidding.
280. What?
It's over here. See?
Sure.
Alright, and I still have to recheck my oil leaks. I have to recheck.
So you did drive the car? Like,
Yeah, I've driven it. Oh, I've driven it.
So you fixed everything on the inside?
Yeah.
They haven't seen a lot.
I know they haven't seen a lot. I don't remember. I fixed everything on the inside? What on the inside?
Like, we put everything back together.
The interior.
We put everything back together, and...
Yeah, I mean, everything is back together.
What?
Nothing.
What did you say? What did you say?
Smells like mustard gas in here. Okay, so yeah, the car's been driven like 60 miles or 70 miles. Oh, my cruise switch is here, or my clutch safety switch.
Oh yeah.
So I can install that and plug it in, and then my cruise control will work again.
In theory.
Yep. Oh, and I trimmed that boot. I don't think I posted this video yet because...
We didn't record that.
Yeah, you're right. So, I trimmed the boot that we did not record. This is a $25 coupler off eBay. Just had to trim it a little bit, but I think I trimmed it a little too much. So, it fits. Here's how the intake lined up. It's still not on 100%. Yeah, I know, I gotta fill that. It's not on 100%, but it's actually better than it used to be. So, this won't go, this won't clamp all the way, but it's still better than it used to be. So that's nice.
I almost don't need it.
Rivets are a stupid design.
Yes, they
Are you even doing anything up there now?
No, I'm just...
I'm just having fun. So yeah.
Car literally never moved.
Also, we are, well, okay, I am replacing the window motor. There's the old one. Gonna put the new one in here in a second.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know.
You're moving the car.
Oh yeah, is it in gear? Did I take it out of gear?
I don't know, but you're moving the car.
I took it out of gear. Good call. Okay. Well, now it's ready to be tinted. And it's kind of cleaned out, so hopefully the tint guy doesn't have a big of a problem getting in and out of this car. And this headliner is supposed to be mint, whatever. So new window motor, new clutch safety switch. So now I have working cruise control for the first time since 2012, I think. Tint tomorrow, tune on Tuesday, which I'm gonna miss the tune. I'll be at work. I think the lens has a bunch of lint on it. There. I'm gonna miss the tune. I'll be at work, so that sucks because I kind of want to see it. Go on the dyno and hear it and everything. Whatever. I'll get the results. That's all that matters, I guess. Okay, cool. Not a whole lot going on here. Finished product will be more exciting. Even though the car is going to look the same, but it's going to perform better.
Knock on wood.
It should perform better. Okay. Well, hopefully I made something cool out of this video because I don't think I really did. Okay, bye. Oh, like, subscribe, share. Okay, bye.